Hi, this very building site was completed in Java using the graphical user interface. So what I will do right now is to actually take you to the Java development environment so that you guys have a good look at how this very program was developed. So let's go to Java right now. Alright, let's start a new project. This time around I'm going to be calling this project buildings. So I'll click on next now. Let's just give it a name, buildings. And if you notice, the create main class is unchecked. Click on new. Now right click on the building, new form, new JFrame form. Click on that and give that a name, buildings. I just call it builds or builders or builder, and I'll call these builders. Finish. So the frame is ready, and I will now change the preferred size right here. So let's just change that to about 1020, and the height will be 800. Click on OK. Now I'm going to add a frame on board, a panel. Add a panel on board there. I have a panel right there. So I might as well just because I'll be adding some labels here. There we go. I will now change the color of this panel to, let me change that to black. Yeah, my panel is now black, and that's it. So let me get a label there, a label. That's my label right there. Let me add some images in that. So go to the icon right there, click on that, import. I have some images here. I just need something to do with trees. Yep, that's fine. Get that tree on board. Just click on next. That's fine. Get my trees right there. Just so that you guys can see the tree. That's the tree there. Okay. Let me just copy this tree across anyway. Just copy it. Paste. And I have two of those. Copy more of those trees across. Got my trees here. The other one there. Okay. So if I choose to run this program, it will look something similar to this. Okay, for now this is how it looks, but what I want is to get some buildings in here, and this will just be trees across. So let's go back into the system, and I'll have to code that. So right click on the panel, go to event, maybe use this ancestral odd. Okay, within this ancestor I'm now going to declare the following. So let me just say graphic 2D equals now graphic. Let's just say I have my variable in place. So let's ask the system to actually g dot fill, waiting for that to respond right there. So my coordinate will be as follows: 70, 29 and 50. Let's call that 500. So I got that in place. I think I should just let's make that true. Now that's supposed to be my background. So the next thing is for me to now create my windows. Okay, I have actually set my windows, although not finished yet, but I'll show it to you guys. But one thing I do now is with these new variables that I've just declared, you can see it. See the similarity in this variable and this one up there for the background. So all I just need to do is call g1 dot set. Where is it? There we go. Set color there. So I'm just gonna leave my color as yellow right now. Okay, that's my color there. So far we have 4 little windows and 1 large window. So the next thing is just to copy those set of codes and create more windows and little windows. So let's go back into the coding area now. So all I need to do now right now is just to copy these ones for this set of codes right there. Let's copy that and change the coordinates, and this is for the big window. This will be another big window right here, big window. So for the other windows, let me just change their coordinates. Is 170 and this is 222. And for big window 2, let me change that to the coordinate for that will look something like 160. Now become 7. Let me just put big window 2 right there, big window 1 and big window 2. Just run it now and see what I've done so far, guys. That's what I've done so far. So I want to need more big windows here. Let's go back and just copy and paste again, and we'll look for that coordinate as well. Copy these lines of code, come back down, paste it right there, change that to big window 3. Now change the coordinates, so that become 180, and this should become 330, another 330, and big window 3 as well should be 280. I'm gonna just save my work. So guys, we are almost there now. So I have 1 2 3. It's like dark out there and there's bright light in the buildings. So let me continue. I need maybe 2 more right here and finish up with the rest. So I'll just finish up with it and get back to you guys. Yeah guys, so far this is what I've done. I have all my windows in place, but this tree seems to be underneath one of the windows, so I'm going to move these trees down a little bit. So let's get that done now. It's looking very good. So close that, go to the design, and maybe I should leave the trees where they are and just change the length. Changing the length will be more sensible. So let's just change that to 480. Let me run it and see how it will look like. Now with 480 I still have the same problem. I think it's gone worse. Maybe I should just move it up. 70, make that 50. Well, so far guys, the trees had to come down. So this is how it looks right now. I have my large windows right there and the little windows. So what I've done with the little windows is setting the boolean to false, and the boolean here is true. So I now need more of the buildings here, so let me just get that over with. Can you guys see it? Okay, those are for the little windows. I can even set maybe some 1 or 2 of the little windows to true anyway. Let's set couple to true because it's a 3D. Let's make it, give it a different look. Yeah, make that true. That's true. Okay, so run the program again. I'm going to have to speed up things because this is going to take a long time. So as you can see, I have some of my Windows lights. They are on. By setting them to true makes it look more brighter. So I may have to set some more bright windows here. So, but like I said, I'm going to have to speed up things because this might take a long time to complete, because I have to get the coordinate right, and that involves a bit of calculation, which means getting it right. Oh well guys, here's the end product of my hard work. Just going to show you guys the codes. So if you want, I will be saving this very code in my shared drive. I can always forward it to you. You can do whatever you like with it, modify it, anything, and that's the code. It's been very long and tiring. So let me just run the program so that you see so that you see the final output. There guys, right in front of you is the graphical artwork drawn using Java in NetBeans. I hope you all enjoy it. So I'm going to leave you with just this beautiful thing. Like I said earlier on, I'll copy and save the code in my shared drive. If you would like to have a copy, send me an email and I'll forward that to you. So you all have a nice day now.